So my name is Carlos O'Neill. I'm the Partnership Manager on the Superfast Business Wales programme. So my job is to work closely with the local authorities, Welsh Government, colleges and universities to try and identify collaboration opportunities that allow us to work with more businesses across Denbighshire and the whole of Wales. Well, businesses in Denbighshire are really lucky actually because there's so much support available. If you look at Denbighshire County Council, for instance, they have the Denbighshire Business Development Grant, which is actually incredible. In comparison to a lot of the other counties across Wales, there's a lot to offer businesses there. But in regards to the Business Wales support, there's so much to offer. You have Farming Connect that help farming businesses grow and diversify. You have Big Ideas Wales that help young entrepreneurs achieve their goals. And then you have our support, Superfast Business Wales, that help businesses understand, adopt and exploit opportunities associated to newer technologies. So our support's delivered through several different channels. They have online support by our online business team. They have support from our masterclasses like we've done today. So we had an Inspire in Action masterclass with Google joining us. And then they have direct one-to-one support from an expert digital business advisor. The business advisor will come out to the business and they'll talk to the business about their software and their hardware, their infrastructure and their digital marketing and their security. And they'll put together an action plan, giving recommended changes, why we recommend it and what benefits those changes should bring to the business. To access the support, all they need to do really is to go onto our website, click on the events tab and register for one of our events. They can also email us or give us a phone call. We found one of the biggest barriers for businesses these days is knowledge or understanding of technology, and in short, our service is information provision. So we try and bridge that gap for businesses and we try and open the horizon for them and expand their minds a little bit. We introduce them to different marketing techniques, new CRM software which will improve the customer journey, security tips which can keep their data safe and their business secure. You know, we look at everything really which could streamline the business or help grow the business through the use of digital technologies. So what I'd say to any business based in Denbighshire is if you really want to embrace digital technology and take full advantage of what's there, you know, give us a try. Have a look at our website, have a look at some of our guides and top tips, and register for one of our events because our online business team, our online advisors, our events coordinators, we're all very passionate about helping business in Denbighshire and across Wales grow and reach its full potential. So we're really looking forward to engaging with more businesses in Denbighshire.